Hello and welcome to my review on HQBroker. They are a Hong Kong-based brokerage firm, and they offer quite a bit in the way of security, being based in Hong Kong, of course. Long-standing Asian banking center. The broker will allow you to access Forex, metals, and derivatives, CFDs of indices and stocks, essentially. So, for example, if you click on derivatives trading, it shows you, it's got commodities, stocks, and shares. So, it gives you coffee, sugar, corn, copper, gold, silver, and oil. And then, Apple, Amazon, Alibaba, Facebook, NASDAQ, Dow, FTSE, etc. So, this gives you the ability to not only trade Forex, but the world, essentially. So, it can be basically a one-stop shop as far as that's concerned. As I mentioned previously, they are based out of Hong Kong. They offer, again, Forex trading. You can see, some of the majors here, spread and pips. Now, this is off the weekend. This does show some of the fixed and some of these other accounts that you can open. So let's take a look at that. Account types. And there are 5 different types. There's a starter, and the minimum deposit's the big difference. And you got floating from starter and silver, and then once you get to golden, you can see that it becomes more fixed with those lower spreads. Beyond that, it's pretty much the same thing. There is a slight charge for bank wires for the smaller accounts, but you get daily analysis the higher up you go. It's kind of the typical scheme where you get more the more you put in, obviously. Leverage is as high as 400 to 1 or 1 to 400, depending on what you're trading. So be aware of that. That kind of leverage is very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, then fair enough. Platforms, they have MetaTrader 4, they have the Web Trader, Tablet Trader, iPhone, and Android. So let's click on the Android, and you'll notice very quickly that it's all MetaTrader. It's just white labeled, and that's fine. That's the platform everybody knows. As far as extras are concerned, they do have learning videos, pretty decent. There's like 16 of them. They've got market news. Go ahead and click on that. So, there's some things here. I don't know if it's the most extensive educational area that you're going to find, but it does suit the average trader. So, clearly it's not necessarily something if you're looking for a lot of education, but if you are looking for, some straightforward analysis and that type of stuff, it should do quite well. Deposits, interesting because they accept, your usual like credit card, debit cards, wire transfers, and then they also accept various cryptocurrencies as well. So that's something to look into. Regulated in Hong Kong, you really can't ask for much more than that. It gives you several different asset classes to trade. A reliable platform that we all know and love. With that being said, HQBroker is very strong.